Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorials, I'm going to guide you on how to use coupons on Temu. If you got a coupon code and you want to use it, here is how you can do it. First, launch your Temu app and you will land on the home page. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find different options. Simply tap on U button. And then navigate to the Coupons and Offers section. In Coupon and Offers at the top, you will see a text box where you can enter your coupon code. Simply type in the code and click Apply to activate the discount on your purchase. Another way to apply a coupon is during checkout. First, select the item you want to buy and add it to your cart. Then, proceed to the checkout page. As you scroll down, you'll find the Apply Coupon Code section. Click on it, enter your coupon code, and hit Apply. Your discount will then be applied automatically to your purchase. And that's it. Using coupons on Temu is quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.